Good morning, Sir Drew. So now, let's go walk again. This morning, I have 77. We're going out. We'll walk again for my 6 days, 10,000 step challenge. Let's go. It's hot. Let's go walk again. Going up to the stairs and walking. They're going to terminal, and later maybe we walk first in the park before we go to the market. We could jogging here, going up here. See, I'm doing that one before. Look, place is very high in the mountain. Then we walk. The jeep terminal is very far here. So before we walk, but it's hot now. We go ride jeep, walking, but it's far the jeep station here. Okay, let's go walk. The jeep station is there, far. Let's see your update later, Sir Drew. I'm walking, going to the I'm still walking. Update for my walking, going to the jeep station. See, it's very far. It's 600 already, and there's 7-Eleven here, and the jeep station is there. Yeah. So here, I will update you again later. Yeah, update, Sir Drew. I'm here now. Okay. In the city, walking here. So I have 1,997 while walking. Yeah, it's 2,000 already while walking. Here at the Shishan Road, we'll go to the mall first to get the parcel of Gwenny, and later we walk. This is very wide walking, so I will walk. Daming cake din sa Prince Line palaging. Prince Line. O dito, we go. Cake sa Prince Line. Yeah, we walk. I will update you again later. Update, walking. 2,600. Still walking here. Oh, there is the police. There's a lot of people here because it's Bisperas of New Year. So still walking, we go to the mall, and later we go past there, we go to the market, and but we're still walking here until we reach the 10,000 steps. See you again. Yeah, update for my walking steps, Sir Drew. I'm here at the mall. So I will go up because I will go buy ribbon for my prosperity. Yeah, so I have 3,200, and we're still here. And later we go walk again at the market. So I will see your update again later, Sir Drew. I'm here at the mall. Hello, Sir Drew. Here we are still here in mall walking. So I update 3,866. There's a lot of people here. We go walk. We'll go to the market. We walk until the market. You see there outside, there's a lot of people. They're buying time because it's later. It's Christmas, New Year's Eve, not Christmas Eve. It's New Year's Eve. So there's a lot of people here outside, and then there's a lot of store outside. I will go outside now. We're going up. We go to the market, and we walk again. The market is there, but there's a lot of people selling fireworks, turutot. Yeah, let's go up. There's a lot of people. OMG. Buti na lang nakabili na ako ng mga needs ko. Yung mga kulang-kulang na lang ang bibilhin ko. Yeah, I will update you again later. Wait. I will take video until up there. So, yeah. I go past to the, what's this? Overpass. Cannot pass there at the highway. So, we can use overpass when you go to the other way. The market is there. Yeah, market is there. Sa market. This one is Magsaysay Road. Let's go. The market is there. We'll go there. I will update you again later. I'm here now in the market, but I will eat. I will buy coffee, brewed coffee. Yeah, there's a lot of what's that flavor here? There's hazelnut, but I want the butterscotch coffee here. Arabica Sagata, but there's butterscotch. There's wine. I'm on overpass. Update 5,332 sort through. See, I'm here at the overpass. Ay, yeah. Update for the steps. I'm here at overpass. Look. Hindi ko alam kung nasa yung camera ko. There. At the other way, there is Shushan Road, and yeah, I will do like this because very small if my phone is so later I will update you again while walking. We're still walking here. Still walking here. Look at that. Yeah. Look at the design here. What's that? Brand. They're selling flour and vegetable. Yeah, and they're horse. They're here at the park before the terminal of jeep here is here, but they removed it in the other places. So, still walking. I will update you again later, sir. Through. Yeah, we're going out. Ay, my time is 7,000. Let's go. Yeah. Let's go walk until we reach the 10,000. Let's go walk. Here my update is 8,600, 8,700. Still walking. It's very hard to walk going to the market. I cannot do video because there's a lot of people. Lagi siksikan, then there's yung mga mandurukot. The snatchers there, so I can't do videos or through there. So here only, and later I will update you again. We just pass here. We go home now. Yeah, I will update you again later. We're walking. 9,121. Yeah, still walking. Yeah, 9,121. Walk. And it's 9,167. Going down to the stairs. See, it's 9,075. It's very... Yan, doon pa tayong baba. See? Yeah. I will upgrade you when I get home. Yeah. We walk. It's very... then I can do jogging here. There, going there. Before I will do jogging here. Going up there, going here, there. But now, yeah. See, muntik na ako mahulog the stairs there. Very, so, see, I can see it's very dark. Yeah. Let's go. It's hot. So, I don't know. It's hot. Yeah, I'll show first. Oh, it's 9,263. I will complete this one later. So later again, I will upgrade you. I will get flower here later. Look, there's no more. Yeah, that's there. Go. Okay, home. Oh, I'm home na. How much my steps? Wait. Where is it? There. 9,200 I got home. So a little only. Yeah, I will update you again later. Third row, let's go up again. It's still 9,600. So I will walk again and to complete the 10,000 steps. Yeah. See your update. Yeah, shout out again, sir, too. I have, see, 96 there while I'm walking 9,740. Oh, what happened? It's not moving. Wait. Yeah, look. It's moving now. Oh, what happened? Let's go up. Yeah, I could walk here. Come, we walk here pala. Ay, hindi na. Doon na lang. No. Let's go walk there because we go by tomato paste. 9,700. Ako, nangawit yung akin. Come on. Let's go. Oh, how much is that? Okay, I can't see. So hard. Oh, see. I reach this. Let's go. Walk. See. Left and belly. Let's go walk. So I will reach the 10,000 steps. I have 9,800. We walk until there. We go to Ganadin's place. I'll buy tomato paste there. So I will bring this. So I reach 10,000 steps. See? Oh look, it's 9,906.7. See, it's far back. So it's 9,138. So I will update you again later. Still walking, look. Oh, 10,000 going pa. We're going to here na oh. Dito na lang tayo punta. Bili tayo. Wait. I see your update later. Ayan, we're going back home. Yeah, I have 10,200. Bumili ako ng tomato paste. I buy tomato paste. Look. I forgot to buy tomato paste. So, I buy 22 pesos each. Go walk. I have 10,250. Yeah. Achi is there now. Yeah, I will update you again later when we arrive at ayun yung yung sinasabi ko na armors na Hotel din siya. Sinasabi ko kay si Yami, yan yun. I will update you again later. Ay, wait. Wait, I will put video. We'll go home. Merong bulaluhan dito, yung sinasabi ni Gwen. Malapit lang yung store dito. Aray, see, I have 10,300. Ito. May lechon sila dyan. Ano? Lechon. There, baliwag lechon manok. San Niño Petro. Bilihan ng bigas. Oh. Bilihan ng bigas. Diyan ako bumibili. Shakira is there. What? Saan ka punta?
Nasa likod niya, hindi tayo man.
Oh, kamo. Saan ka punta? Punta na naman 7-Eleven to. Shakira is going to 7-Eleven there. Let's go. Again, guys. Go. This my back, that one in front of me. It's there. Actually, it's there. So, how many now my what's that? My steps. Okay. I cannot hold properly that. Yeah, wait. Hindi ko mapindot yung ilan na yung there. It's 10,000. There, 10,400. Dito I could do jogging here, going there and going up there. Yeah, going here. Yeah, I could do jogging there, but later on, look at that place. It's here in the mountain. Let's go. Go up. Yeah. So I can upload now this one because I reached already 10,000 steps. Yeah, Sir Drew, thank you so much, Sir Drew, for the challenge. Sir Drew, and yeah, thank you very much. Advance Happy New Year. Happy New Year, Sir Drew. Thank you, thank you. Bye. Yeah, go inside. This one, ito aloha, ang bangon. Nilagay rosemary. Tapos kumuha ako ng, kumuha ako nung dito, kumuha ako yung lemongrass tsaka rosemary. Nilagay ko sa sa lechon. Yeah. Dito na tayo. So, thank you guys. Sir Drew, thank you so much. Bye. Wait, I'll show my what's that? I'll show my it's 10,500. I can upload this one, Sir Drew. Thank you very much.